it's safe to say I think I definitely focused on the animations a lot more. I focused on the roars, I focused on the walking and the blood effect and stuff. I even focused on some like sound effects that would get it. You know, sometimes when the battle begins and sometimes there's just this sound effect. Yeah, I just did that. So next up we're getting to more dinosaur sound effects. Here we go. So yeah, I guess that's it for all the requests. So one of them was the match. I hope I did well with the match. Just let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, hope the requests came out good as well. I know for the last two requests for Shunnosaurus and Spinosaurus, I forgot to put it in full screen mode. So yeah. But oh well, I'll get it next time. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. See ya.